Are you looking to grow your business and streamline your construction projects? CoConstruct might just be the tool you need. In this video, we'll break down how CoConstruct can help your business grow, whether you're a home builder, contractor, or a project manager. Stick around because we'll also reveal how you can try CoConstruct completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Let's dive in with the first thing CoConstruct can do for you: improve communication with clients and your team. No more endless email chains or missed messages. CoConstruct offers a central platform for everything, so your entire team is on the same page and your clients are always updated. Whether it's changes in project scope or timelines, everything gets documented and shared, ensuring transparency and preventing costly misunderstandings. Next thing, CoConstruct helps you manage your budget and expenses effortlessly. Construction projects are complex, and keeping track of every penny can feel impossible. CoConstruct offers budget tracking tools that integrate seamlessly with your project management workflow. You can set budgets, track expenses, and instantly see where things stand. This means fewer surprise costs and more control over your finances, which is essential for growth. The third thing that can really elevate your business with CoConstruct is its ability to streamline the entire scheduling process. Gone are the days of juggling multiple calendars and trying to keep everyone on track. With CoConstruct, you can create a detailed schedule that everyone can access in real time. This improves efficiency, reduces delays, and helps you deliver projects faster, an essential factor for scaling your business. The fourth thing, and this might be the most exciting, is how CoConstruct integrates with your existing tools. If you're already using accounting software, CRM systems, or other project management tools, CoConstruct can sync with them, saving you time and reducing errors. This integration lets you focus on growing your business rather than spending time on manual data entry. Finally, CoConstruct helps you deliver a better client experience. Happy clients are the best marketing tool, and with CoConstruct's client-facing features, you can easily share project updates, photos, and progress reports. This helps you build stronger relationships with clients, who are more likely to refer you to others, bringing in more business and helping you grow. And here's the best part: you can try CoConstruct for free with our exclusive extended trial. This means you get full access to all the features I just mentioned, without the commitment. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to manage your construction projects more effectively and scale your business, CoConstruct can help. It's the ultimate solution for improving communication, managing budgets, staying on schedule, and providing your clients with an exceptional experience. Don't miss out on the chance to try it for free with our exclusive bonus offer.